Crown Chakra connects you to higher consciousness and divine energy, brings peace, bliss, and spiritual enlightenment, expands awareness beyond ego and material life.
Now let us begin the Crown Chakra, the Sahasrara meditation. The location is top of the head, the color is violet, and the lotus is full of 1,000 petals. You may also visualize a white lotus if you like. It can be either violet or white. The mantra is just silence. Breathing in divinity and breathing out divine light. So let us begin. Breathe. Visualize 1,000 petaled white lotus opening up the petals above your head. Hold the vision and breathe out silently. Once again, breathe in, visualize a beautiful white lotus opening up 1,000 petals above your head. Hold the vision. Soak in the divine light coming from the lotus into your whole being. And now breathe out in silence. Breathe in once again. Take a deep breath. Visualize a beautiful lotus opening up 1,000 petals of white divine light above your head. Soak in your whole being in the white light. Hold the vision and exhale silently into stillness. Now do the affirmation. I am one with the universe. I am infinite light. Now say it aloud. I am one with the universe. I am infinite light.